Hi everyone, this is me, Furzsy from PIVX, and I am here to show you the new PIVX-light-wallets that is going to be available from 2026 in several devices or OS such as Windows, Linux and macOS. And well, let's go. This is the new splash screen. The light wallet follows the same wallet suite as the mobile wallet, so it is the same branding. This is the create wallet screen. The wallet uses the same backup file, so you can port your Android wallet to your desktop wallet or your desktop wallet to your Android wallet without have to change anything. So it has BIP44 wallet, following the same principles, the same backend is for both wallets. Of course, you have here your mnemonic code, 24 words, write it down. The wallet is fully encrypted, so every time that you enter in your wallet, you have to write it because you are not going to be able to spend your coins. And well, let's take a look. This is the new brand design. It's pretty good. Let's touch some buttons and play a little bit. This is the receiving address. For example, the wallet now is synchronizing and it's locked. Let's unlock it. Well, this is all wallet unlocked. So it's going to take a while, maybe 15 to 20 minutes for me. And well, let's move to another screen. So we have the settings, and well, this wallet has multiple currencies, so you can pick from a really long list of currencies. Let me show you. This is in network options here, so this is a really long list, so you can choose whatever you want. Let's go with AGP. Okay, let's go with AGP, save, and now I can send 1 pip and convert it to AGP. So pretty cool. And well, that is all.